Want to wipe your TikTok profile clean without deleting your whole account? In this video, I'll show you how to remove all your posted videos, step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to clean up. Now, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile grid with all your posted videos. Check your videos here. If there are only a few clips, you might delete them one by one. But if you have dozens or hundreds, keep watching for a faster method. Important, TikTok doesn't have an official delete all button. You'll still delete videos individually, but I'll show you how to move quickly and stay organized. Before you start, decide, do you want to delete every video or only certain ones? Once deleted, they're gone for good unless you've saved them elsewhere. Start with your first video. Tap on a video thumbnail from your profile grid to open it in full screen view. Next, tap the three dots or more button on the right side of the screen to open the options menu for that video. In the menu that appears at the bottom, scroll if needed and tap delete. On some versions, you may see the trash can icon instead of the word delete. TikTok will ask you to confirm. Tap delete again to permanently remove that video from your profile. Repeat this process for each video. Back to your profile, open the next clip, tap more, then delete and confirm. Move steadily so you don't miss any. When your grid is finally empty, you're done. Refresh your profile to double check and enjoy your fresh start on TikTok.